Now, fate of Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is hanging in balance due to growing rebellion. BJP's central leadership now is banking on the state in charge Arun Singh, who is on a 3-day visit to quell the rebellion in the state of Karnataka. He is expected to, in fact, share his observations with the party high command after the core committee meeting on the 18th of June. Here's more on that.
Political rumblings continue in Karnataka. With a revolt raging against Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, the BJP High Command has swung into action. BJP's National General Secretary and Karnataka in charge Arun Singh is on an all-important 3-day visit to the state. Arun Singh reached Bengaluru on Wednesday evening. He got down to business right away, holding meetings at BJP's headquarters in Malleshwaram. The meeting with Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and his cabinet colleagues lasted several hours. Singh has instructed MLAs to avoid talking to the media, something the Yediyurappa detractors have done freely and frequently in recent weeks.
कभी भी पार्टी के विधायक हो, पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता हो, उसको इस बात का सदैव ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि किसी भी प्रकार से पार्टी को नुकसान न हो। कोई ऐसा स्टेटमेंट नहीं देना चाहिए, कोई ऐसा कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए, कोई भी इस प्रकार की बात न करे जिससे पार्टी को नुकसान हो। बोलने से पहले जरूर ये सोचे कि इससे पार्टी को नुकसान हो रहा है, फायदा हो रहा है।
10 BJP MLAs have received invites to meet Singh one-on-one. The party has directed MLAs not to come in huge numbers or in groups to meet the central leader. So far, there are no signs of peace. One of the contenders for Chief Minister's post, Minister K.S. Ishwarappa, has lashed out, saying it is for the party high command to decide, the CM and not Lingayat seers who have rallied behind B.S. Yediyurappa.
नेशनल लीडर्स क्या डिसीजन लेता है वो सभी डिसिप्लिन सोल्जर्स है वर्कर्स वो नेशनल लीडर्स क्या बोलता है वो हम सुनेगा कई आदमी का कई उनका एक एक स्वामी जी का एक एक अभिनय रहता है वो प्रजाप्रभुत्व व्यवस्था में उनका हक है क्या बोलना है नहीं बोलना है ये स्वामी जी का क्या क्या बोलता है वो भी नेशनल लीडर सुनेगा.
As Yediyurappa's fate hangs in balance, anxiety is building amongst the MLAs who crossed over from the Congress and joined the BJP. They appear to be standing with Yediyurappa. Sources say they fear losing ministerial berths if Yediyurappa is dropped as the chief minister. The central leadership is banking on Arun Singh to defuse the crisis in Karnataka. Within the BJP, Arun Singh is believed to enjoy the trust of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. His 3-day Karnataka mission, insiders say, is to provide PM Modi and Shah information about the ground reality. Singh is expected to share his observations with the party high command after the core committee meeting on June the 18th. With BJP top brass going directly involved, the suspense is building up on the fate of Yediyurappa. Will he once again manage to quell the rebellion, or will the mutineers dethrone him? With Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now here's some big news coming in within Karnataka. Fresh twist in the exit fight. Karnataka rebel MLA alleges that his phone is being tapped. BJP MLA Arvind Bellad writes to the Speaker and Karnataka Home Minister claiming that his phone is being tapped.
ಸತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನನ್ನು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ
ಯಾರಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಭಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನೆ.
You have Arvind Bellad there saying that he's being tracked, traced, and he's complained to the Speaker on that. Political bickerings in Karnataka BJP camp now yet again intensifying against Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. BJP MLC and an MLA are now trading charges over B.S. Yediyurappa. Councillor Vishwanath says Yediyurappa is too old and that a change in leadership is required. Sharpening his attack, Vishwanath added that dynasty politics is on the rise in the state of Karnataka as B.S. Yediyurappa's son is interfering a little too much in the state's administration. Hitting back at the MLC, MLA Renukacharya has said that whoever has spoken against the Chief Minister, strict action should be taken against them. He's further added that most of the MLAs there are with the Chief Minister indeed, and that it was under B.S. Yediyurappa that the BJP got the mandate it required in 2018. Speaking on the rumblings further, BJP MLA and National General Secretary has said that we will have to wait for the High Command's decision on this matter.
Totally Karnataka BJP forgotten Modi ji. We respect Yediyurappa's contribution in building the BJP in Karnataka. But now Yediyurappa has not got that spirit, that strength to run the government because the age factor, the health factor, and the intervention of his family members. No minister is happy.
So if you're asking for a change, who do you think should be the next Chief Minister? Are
There
there
are
names in the pipeline?
it's better to replace with a Lingayat leader.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅರುಣ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ರವರನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಪಕ್ಷದ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ದಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಲಾಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಗಳಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ.
मेरे ऊपर जवाबदारी भी है, डिस्कशन करने के प्लेटफॉर्म भी है. हमारा पार्टी प्लेटफॉर्म में प्रेजेंट पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन के बारे में मैं डिस्कशन करूंगा, उधर निश्चय भी करेंगे.